Can I? I think the memory is freedom.
Okay, start.
Okay.
Go ahead.
My name is Mr.Enessy. I'm of Enessy Global Farms. I'm the managing director, I'm the CEO and the president of Enessy Global Farms. Our offices, our farm centers, and our operations are in Kogi State, Ondo State, and Ekiti State, while the administrative office is in Kaduna. So we are into production of yams, melons, maize, and several other agricultural products. But these are the major ones, these are the core ones. But I am so happy to be one of the participants of this workshop because there are so many things that we did not know. There are so many ignorance in what we have been doing that we have been informed. We are better off now because the post-harvest is very, very fantastic. To have adequate information and training and no hands-on because now we have to go to the process from the wholesome up to the end product, which is how we are shown. Other products like tomato from wholesome up to the finishing, everything was done. It was explicit and it was hands-on. All of us were participatory and it was very, very interactive. So we thank AgriQuest for the contribution. The organization is superb and we are so happy that subsequent programs of yours we are going to participate, and most of my staff will also have the opportunity to participate. To appreciate that agri itself is a very wide program that in fact I didn't see anything in this world that is wider than agriculture. It is wider. Anything to do with food. There's no house in this world that doesn't eat food. So after God, I think food is next. After God, food is next. But if you have food, after God, you must eat. Whatever you do. So I am so happy to come across the gentleman that is the managing director of AgriQuest, Olani. So I'm so impressed. And he's a young man and highly enterprising, full of a lot of ideas. So we believe that some of these bishops should also come to the far north where our level of we need in-depth knowledge of what the interaction, and it is very, very interactive. Being able to get contact to any platform, it is superb. Even the Nigeria Stored Products Research Institute is another area that they are all very, 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 very good people. They are very accommodating. As if they have known us for almost a year or more. The interaction was super. I am so happy that knowledge is gained. I didn't come here, I'm better than how I came. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.